Welcome back, welcome back. Keep it simple, keep it short. joinandcoin here. Thanks for your support. All right, what is Bitcoin doing? Yeah, we got our CPI data yesterday and we got a red candle with 6% to the downside during the report was published. So yeah, Bitcoin fell down to 18.9K to just immediately work its way back up, broke this resistance line, but couldn't hold it as a support. And yeah, obviously this here was a fake out. And as the time of recording, Bitcoin found support at the 0.702 at 19.6K. RSI on the 4-hourly still in an uptrend. Also MACD got some bullish momentum still. And yeah, but the stock RSI suggests that we are here in the overbought conditions and the stock RSI shows there is some bearish momentum here in the very short term. So let's jump to the daily. For me, it's very important that Bitcoin is holding the 18.9K. If we take it from this swing low to this swing high, it is around the 0.702. And the last two times, as I talked in my yesterday's video, when of this move, the 0.702 was lost, we saw this drop to the downside. And also here, when the 702 was lost, we saw this drop to the downside. So if history is any indication for this bear cycle, Bitcoin should not lose the 18.9K by any means. Otherwise, we could prepare for more downside. To be honest, I want to see one more drop to the downside because then we could see a bullish divergence on the daily RSI. But I think it's also possible that Bitcoin is first coming to test here this resistance line and then have the drop. Well, we don't know yet, but what we know is if you take a look at the last consolidation here, the RSI was working the way up just to build some bearish momentum to the downside. And you can literally take this line, put it here. It's more or less the same. So, you know, this is corrective. This is not bullish for now, because if the price is moving in a sideways direction and the RSI is coming to the upside, it's just coming to the upside to build some bearish momentum that the price can drop to the downside. And it's vice versa. If you're in an uptrend, then yeah, when the RSI is cooling off and the price is in a sideways range, you're building some momentum to the upside. So this is also why I think that we will see here one more drop to the downside, right? Also, if you take a look here at the stock RSI, it's quite similar, right? RSI is coming to the overbought conditions while the price is staying flat. And yeah, once it breaks this support line, then there is some momentum to the downside. And if you look at the recent price action from the last weeks, it's yeah, quite similar. So maybe we got one more bounce here, or maybe we got our drop immediately. No one knows, no one has a crystal ball, but for me, this one here is corrective, is still corrective, but I also believe that the bottom is very close. The bottom is, I think, very close to be in. So targets to the downside, as we can see here on the weekly, Bitcoin got rejected on the 200-week SMA, is for me here the 300-week SMA. We will see if the 300-week is holding or we get some short wick here and come straight back up. But I think the 300-week SMA should hold very well as a support. If we take a look on the COVID crash, we can also see Bitcoin was very close to the 300-week SMA. And also on the weekly RSI, there we can see that we are in this huge falling wedge. And of course, when this is broken here somewhere, I think this is a very good confirmation that we are out of the woods. So the DXY, there I have some bad news because I measured the Fibonacci retracement tool from this high here in 2001 to this low in 2008. And yeah, the bad news is that the DXY broke through the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So yeah, how high can the DXY go? If we take this Fibonacci measurement tool here, there's no major Fibonacci retracement left here until 121. Of course, the 110 level could be psychology level, and the DXY could find a resistance. Nevertheless, there is still a bearish divergence on the weekly RSI. But yeah, it's getting closer to invalidate. So I have to be honest, and this is bad for the cryptos and the stocks. Otherwise, if we zoom out, we can see that from 1985, the RSI is on the third highest level at around 81 right now. So there were only 2 times since 1985 that the RSI here in 97, it was at 86, and in 2015 it was at 88. Yeah, definitely it's the third highest level in the RSI of the DXY since 1985. Yeah, we will see how much the DXY can pump further to the upside. Until then, I wish you a happy trading. If you like this video and you want to get updated with the latest crypto news and analysis, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.